If we want to become better communicator, then we have these three things within us. First, confidence. And overnight we cannot become confident. It takes time. Means first of all understand your strengths and weaknesses and what you want to be. Means what you like to do. And on that way just do work for your confidence. For example, I want to become public speaker, and I when I came to know that I love speaking, I started working and came to know I am nowhere. But I decided to do work for. I decided to become confident. Or for that I am giving my full energy, time to this work. So, yes, day by day, when we do work, we become confident, and my confidence level is increasing, going to the next level. So, I'm working and insist you to do the same. Second is clarity. Clarity comes with the engagement. When we are involved more and more, then we become more clear. We, with clarity, we know what works or what's not. And when we are involving in something, then we are feeling like that uh, what way we have to do work for. Many a times we feel like that this is not working. For example, I just love to speak in a structured way, but I'm facing difficulty, not able to do. Um, Theoretically, I know, but when I start doing, I'm not able to do. So I feel bad. But then again, trying to do again, because whatsoever we know it's good for us and we are clear, then we have to do again and again. Change the way to do work, not that work. So, second is clarity. You all have to do work for confidence, clarity, and then third is connection. Make your connection. Connect with audience. We are sharing whatsoever sharings to connect to you with all. And when we are using conversational method communicating with someone, then we can do it. So if we want to become better, then connection